How to remove photos from Google Photos without deleting them from your phone. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily delete photos from Google Photos without actually deleting them. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Google Photos app and make sure that you are logged in. The next step is to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, and then from here you'll see your backup. So you just need to make sure that your backup is off. So go to photo settings, then tap on backup. And if this is turned on, just go ahead and turn off the backup. And if you want to undo backup for all of the devices, you can do that as well. And if you want to delete all of the photos backup, you could do that by tapping here and then deleting the backups. Now you can go back. And if you just want to remove them from your Google Photos, so for example, I've got this image, so I'm just going to long press on this. Here I have multiple options. So if I just tap on the bin icon, it will automatically delete it from Google Photos only. But if I tap on delete from device, it will be removed from my gallery as well. So I'm just going to tap on this bin icon and then tap on allow. And the photo has successfully moved to the bin. So if you want to see where the photo is, tap on the profile. And then from here, you should be able to see the option called bin. If you don't see that there, go to your collections or libraries. And then from here, you can just go ahead and select the bin option. And here you'll find your deleted photo. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.